Don't worry, Amazon is not crumbling. In fact, there's a lot more sales than usual for this time of year. And this increase in sales has led Amazon to take some drastic decisions. And the first measure is that Amazon is suspending every FBA shipment until the 5th of April, unless the products are what they call high demand products. A high demand product is basically everything that's medical supplies, shampoos, hand sanitizers, food, drinks, coffee, pet food, nappies. All these products, you can still send them to Amazon's warehouses. Now, what I recommend you is to really not send anything to Amazon at all, because I think it's going to be a big mess. And you know what? Maybe you send a package to Amazon today, but before the package gets received into the warehouse, Amazon decides to just not receive any FBA shipment anymore. So for that reason, what I recommend you to do is just stay put on any FBA shipment. Don't send anything. Now, if you already have FBA items in Amazon, it should be okay. Your items, if you have sales, Amazon should still send your items to the customer, so that's fine. Now, you have to be careful about one thing, is that if you sell medical supplies or any high demand product, Amazon will monitor your prices, and if they think that your prices are too high, then they will deactivate your products. So, second recommendation is to go over all your high demand products, again, hand sanitizers, shampoos, etc., food, drinks, and to deactivate those products. And you know what? Not only deactivate them, but also lower the prices, because for some of my products, they were deactivated already, but Amazon said, oh, we are we're deleting this item because your price is too high, but the item was already deactivated. So whether or not you're an FBA or FBM seller, deactivate high demand products and lower the prices. Now, if you're an FBM seller, you're responsible for shipping the products. So in that aspect, you can ship anything you want, but just be careful with this pricing policy. That's it, guys. Short update. I will be making other videos if things change. But again, the fastest way to know what's going on in the world of Amazon is to join our Facebook group. The link is in the description and in the comments. So don't hesitate, click the link and then answer 3 small questions, and we'll review your application and let you in the group if you're not a bot or a spammer. With that being said, good luck everyone. I wish you a safe confinement, stay safe, stay at home, and I'll see you in the next video.